Hey guys, ducks are hanging out outside. We had a lot of rain earlier. It rained for probably a good hour. I got soaked coming out of my class, walking to my car. But the ducks are definitely enjoying it. Get all the mud to play in. There's the mud down there. Tub's so dirty. I'm gonna empty it out tonight. Ducks are some messy creatures. That's for sure. It's been warm, or been not warm, kind of chilly lately. It's kind of chilly right now. The ducks are probably really happy. They get to venture out all day. It's pretty much all cloudy. So, ducks will be exploring today. This garden's all probably getting swampy. Yeah, it doesn't smell as bad. I think everything's starting to settle. A lot of new things in the garden. A lot of new dirt. Or compost, I should say. Definitely, if we keep doing what we're doing, we're going to have another amazing garden like we did this year. This year we had a fantastic garden. Okay. Oh, we got an egg in its normal spot. Hi, chicken. The chicken's up there hanging out. We'll grab this egg. They seem to be doing well. Just cleaned up yesterday. Look how dirty it is in here. It's only been a day. No, not even a day yet. Already super dirty. Alright, our chicken's in the fog. Chicken's clumsy. Eating some grass. Okay. Now you go pick up some weeds. Let me know if it's around there. Cause they go through it. They love grass and weeds. Ducks are happy. Just hanging out. So guys, I'll see you guys back here in a little bit. Okay guys, it just started pouring down rain. Of course right when I come outside. But it's gonna rain pretty much all night. We have so much rain coming. I think we'll put together a ½ inch. Since I'm getting soaked, I'm trying to get everything in before it really starts raining. Here's my socks already soaked. Chickens are in here. I'm making this as quick as I can. Dude, I'm getting soaked. I have a jacket on. Come on, ducks, get in. I'm getting soaked. Come on, bucko. Okay, everybody, the count of 4. Everyone's good. Thank you guys for watching. I'm getting soaked, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.